curiosity, since I saw the Alice in Wonderland movie, I was watching the Alice in Wonderland movie, I decided to play the Mad Hatter song, and I love it.
It's a good song. Okay, I'm vlogging. It's Babyland General! Yay! Look, there's the big stork with the baby. We're gonna see some little cabbage patches born today. And we're gonna see some vintage cabbage patches that are worth a ton of money. Yay!
We're here on the Babyland plantation.
And they have weddings here, and you can rent it, and they do special teas here, and
it's a hub for human trafficking too.
It is not.
You know how many of these babies get shipped to China, baby? You have no idea.
So excited. Colt and Ryder have never been here. Yeah, they do weddings here back there. See? We're at Babyland. And it's freezing.
See the arrow on the sign? Go that way. Keep going. Soda machine.
Cabbage dilation, 10 weeks apart. There's 4 kids delivery staff. Mother cabbage and labor. All staff code green.
Ooh, it sounds like they're gonna have a delivery.
That's where we're at.
This way.
Yeah, I think Wanda's got it. I guess you could just write it down on a piece of paper and give it to Wanda on Monday, and she can run it. But she's, yeah. Or if you want to wait and call back Monday and give it to Wanda, does that sound familiar? Who you talk to is Wanda.
Yeah, I can just come back Monday and pay.
Okay.
She said something about they had invitations too that she would be giving me for the kids.
Yeah.
Wait, so
Ryder, you see those things? Up here. Up here, Ryder. Look. Ryder. Right here, Ryder.
Let's do chance. I got it.
there's the invites, and I do have on here. I'm just going to double check.
My presence doesn't.
There's the extra
My
shirt.
presence doesn't give off the right.
You can actually change those sizes.
Stop it right now.
Hey, let's go see the birth. Let's go see the birth.
Then we're gonna walk through the place again, right, Mom?
Yes.
Adult cabbages. Come on. Oh, we missed it.
D'Angelo.
Damien. Oscar.
Yay!
lucky me. I've been inside the tree before.
Let's go look at the nurseries.
I'm so lucky, Ryder. I've been in the tree before. I'm so lucky.
Let's go look at the nurseries.
Ryder, I want to start from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning.
Yeah, start from the beginning. Let's go back over there.
Let's go start at the beginning.
Ryder.
Let's go over here. We're going to go in this room first.
Look at all the boy babies.
This is the boy nursery. Hey, don't.
Oh,
No.
who's that? Zuma?
Let's see if we see any babies named Colt or Ryder.
There's him.
Who's that?
That's. Hey. Look who's. Stop harassing the stuffed animals.
It is. It's
I've
Zuma.
never really seen an adult Cabbage Patch.
She's one of the nurses. No, you're fine.
That's you.
There's Gardner. Looks like Chuck. Over here, guys. Look at these little babies. Hey, look, it's baby Blaze.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh,
His name is not Blue.
I
I thought his name was Blaze.
No,
I was gonna say I need to buy it.
it's not the name, but he's got the hair.
Look at the little baby girls. Oh, this one's so cute. Look, she's got
We
white.
should ask for one to be named Blaze. Oh, it's so cute.
I've never seen one with white hair.
Yeah, I know. I want one with white hair. Can we get it?
How much does it show?
I don't know, but it's so cute.
I love her outfit.
And I love the skin tone of her skin and like the hair. So pretty. What's its name?
I don't know.
Where's the name?
I guess you could name her yourself. Remember, you take her into an adoption room.
Yeah. What's this one's name?
But you can change the name.
Cool. I kind of want to buy that one.
Ask her how much the medium-sized ones are.
The babies. $325. $200.
These?
200?
Oh.
Oh God.
Oh, those are the real ones.
The kids are the kids and they're
It's because they're hand-sewn.
Come on,
Because
guys.
they're
In here.
hand-sewn,
This
honey.
way. Going in here.
I like this one.
It's because they're hand-sewn.
Watch them, okay?
They're what? They're ham sewn?
Hand-sewn.
Don't let Hattie see what's over there.
Look how cute. Look at the
What?
Christmas tree, Colt.
You don't like the monkey?
I like the kitty.
Oh, look at that big beanie boo.
I have a tax one, the blue tiger.
Oh, look at that train. You don't see it?
Mommy, this one looks like Alice. Hey, don't be rough.
Okay, let's go to the next room, guys. It's cool, huh? That pretty train. It's like covered in snow.
This is what Mommy looks. It's an old desk.
That's just like your baby crib.
This is Gardner's desk.
Yeah. Ryder, get back over here.
It's just Gardner's desk. I want one.
Oh, look at these little teeny ones.
I want one with white hair.
Look at this one.
Oh, that's cute.
This is like Ryder's one.
Do they have one with white hair?
Oh, he's cute. Did Did you see these Beanie Boo backpacks?
I know, they're so cute.
I'll buy you something if you want it.
Oh, I want a white Cabbage Patch because they're so cute. But they may cost a lot of money, so I don't want to cost you a lot. These are so cute.
They have really cute displays.
It is a cute display.
Wow, look at the pirates up here.
Ryder would love this.
Look at this big airplane.
Ryder's loving it. Because Ryder loves to make
It's like a little ice cream stand.
They're driving!
Oh, they are, huh? Pretty cool.
How did that get up there?
Oh, look, it's Saturn. Above you.
Look at the little flying Cabbage Patch Kids. If you guys go over here towards the Cabbage Patch Kids, they move.
Are you vlogging too?
No, I'm just taking pictures.
You could for your YouTube channel.
No. I don't have a YouTube channel. Get out of there. Stop cooking. It's not cooking time anymore.
Ryder, Ryder, they have Sesame Street characters over here.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this one hasn't been born yet. Right, Mom?
Put it
Tractor.
back, please.
Mommy, this one hasn't been born yet.
I know. There's some over here on their wall that actually move.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, one of them was born. I want one with white hair, but that was only in there.
We got you one out of the wall over here that moved.
Oh yeah, I remember. I want one with white hair, but they don't have any out.
Well, you don't know until you look, hon.
Oh, I like this one's hair color. Look at how cute that is. Yeah, it's a glowing crystal. Where are the moving ones?
That's like one of the crystals you have to
This one kind of looks like you, Colty.
That has too dark of hair.
This one!
Move, child, move.
Look at the little tree house.
Oh, this is so cute.
And here's the little fort.
I want one with the white hair. The cow sponsorship.
This one looks like Ryder.
It does.
This one's Ryder because he's got chubby cheeks, brown hair, and brown eyes.
Stay still. Colty, stand right there. Stand right there and look. Stay still. I got a picture with him smiling.
We're leaving Babyland General. We had a fantastic trip. Myself and Hadeline got 2 babies. She got a boy baby and I got a girl baby, and this is Hadeline's baby.
I named it Damian Oscar Williams.
And I got a little girl baby that looks like a koala and I named it Kaya. It's really cute.
I gave her the name suggestion, of course, because
Right.
she sucks at naming things.
Bye, Babyland. Babyland General is in Cleveland, Georgia, and there's a whole bunch of stuff to do up here. You can go tubing, you can go shopping, you can go see the waterfalls at Anaruby Falls. There's horseback riding, there's like a Gone with the Wind museum. I definitely suggest going to Cleveland and Helen, Georgia. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.